Hello, everybody. Just let me get dressed here. It's a blizzard. That's dirty. It's dirty. So just let me get dressed, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got dressed. So let's go grab something to eat. I don't know what to do in this video. Oh my gosh, man. Hey, this is my dog, Mo. Come here, Moses. Hey, Moses. Oh. I'm going behind the camera. And if you saw in the last video, and look what I hit my head. Mommy? Let's put some bologna. Ouch, that hurt. I'm gonna have to have, I think I'm bringing up the fan. What? I don't know if I want to get my fan. Did you hear that? My one knee just cracked twice. I was like, and it cracked twice in a row. Yeah, I'm going to look at my fan. I'm going to get my biggest fan. Do you know where my fan is?
It's around the corner.
Just around the corner. It's my fan I use at night. Yep. I like making vlogs, like these kind of videos. Oh, jeez. Another cord is hanging down, look. Cord was hanging down. Oh, God. I'm stepping on it now. I don't want to trip. I smashed my head into this beautiful fan. Into my biggest fan. Okay. Hello, this is Glozzo. Is you okay? Is you good? Because I want to know. I'm gonna go get another piece of bologna. Nailed it. Another slice. No. Yeah, okay. Ching chong chong, ching chong chong.